morning. My name is Cynthia Walker, and I made 4 separate complaints about Judge Esther Morgenstern, New York's most poisonous jurist. The things that Judge Morgenstern did to me are unbelievable. To call her courtroom a kangaroo court would be an insult to kangaroo courts. For example, my first complaint to the Commission on Judicial Conduct, I reported that Judge Morgenstern assigned free counsel to only one party, my abusive ex-husband, who is the chief financial officer of a hedge fund, okay? He does not qualify for free counsel. This is your taxpayer money going to a free lawyer for a hedge fund guy, and no counsel, of course, for me. I reported this to Harriet Weinberger, who's the head of the assigned counsel plan, and I made a full formal complaint to the CJC. They did not call me. They sent me one crummy piece of paper telling me that they did not find any need to investigate my complaint. The next complaint that I made to the CJC was about Morgenstern falsifying the record. I made a motion for pendente lite support, and she didn't rule on it for 19 months, and then falsified the record to say that she had ruled on it orally 18 months prior. I actually I subscribed to E-Track, so I was sitting there on Christmas Eve of 2019, and I got an E-Track notice letting me know that my motion was ruled on falsely. I had screenshots of the falsification, a lot of hard evidence. I sent it all to the CJC. Nobody called me, nobody responded, and again, I got that crummy piece of paper in the mail. We didn't think that your complaint was worth investigating. Morgenstern made an order on custody when custody was pending in family court. She didn't even pull custody from family court where there were custody petitions. She made a default ruling on custody when it wasn't even in her court. And I reported this to the Commission on Judicial Conduct. Once again, nobody called me, nobody investigated, and I got a crummy piece of paper in the mail telling me that my complaint was not worth investigating. My 4th and final complaint, I don't know what they're doing with our $8 million, my 4th and final complaint was about a child support order. Morgenstern made a child support order that I should pay $1,000 a month to my ex-husband based on his attorney's claim that I am a prostitute, okay? She didn't use the CSSA guidelines. She didn't use my statement of net worth. In the same default hearing where she awarded him custody when it was pending in another court, she asked my husband's free 18B counsel, well, what sort of work did she do before? I have to base it on something. And the 18B said she was a prostitute. She made a child support order on the basis of the allegation that I am a prostitute. I have the inquest minutes. I sent the entire inquest minutes to the Commission on Judicial Conduct. Like, excuse me, could this possibly be more illegal? You know, how can you make a child support order on the basis of an illegal occupation? You know, like, oh, well, Your Honor, he was a hitman, so he should pay. And once again, these clowns did not even investigate. They sent me the same crappy one-page. We didn't find anything to investigate. In other states, if judges criminally falsify the record, they're actually arrested and prosecuted. All over this country, judges get in trouble for that. Not in New York. Not in New York. And it's thanks to the corrupt Commission on Judicial Conduct, which will not investigate even blatant criminality. Forget about abuses of discretion. They won't even investigate judges who commit crimes. Maybe some little town and upstate town judges. Not anybody like Esther Morgenstern, who is bringing in a lot of money through the Title 4D. That's her whole purpose. It's gangsterism. Thank you.